Hello guys, welcome to just a random video. I'm going to post it to, this video is going to be on Ponyo, so yeah. It's me just playing with my cat. If you've seen the last one I posted on Chris Williams, well, please like and subscribe, and I am playing with my cat. Well, I got more cats, but they're all over there. That one's mine. That's over under a tree, if you can't see it. If you already... this is my cat, Jojo. Now, she is very gentle, but not when you play with her. Now, watch. Look, see, look. She really wants this. So, yeah. Wait, quit. Well, now. And then, oh, here comes her. Oh, she's under my porch. Now. Yeah. Now, let's see. Give up, Zaza. Give up. Well, there. Now she gets the free play. And, yeah. That was just a little video. Just for you to look at. Wait. Zaza. And if you like this, please leave a like and subscribe to Ponyo Samayoshi. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want. And if I start playing, if they add gamer tags to Minecraft soon,